Hi guys, it's Joey. Welcome to my channel. If you enjoy planning or planning related videos, then stick around. I'm Joey and this is Joey's Plans. Alright guys, so let's get started. Today I'm going to be planning for May 16th through May 22nd in my Erin Condren Life Planner. This is the vertical format. I'm just showing you how my previous week turned out. It turned out really well. I did have several photos to stick in for this week. And I'm just kind of explaining. I wasn't going to do a voiceover, but I decided to since I had my kids come over, and so things just got kind of loud at my house. So anyways, last week was super busy. My mom ended up having surgery, and so I was really over at my mom and dad's house pretty much the entire week, just kind of making sure that things were okay and that they were doing well. And you know, as the week wound down, I ended up having a really good time with some friends of mine from church. We went to a thing called Life Surge, and it was really good. So I really enjoyed that. So now I'm just I put on the bottom washi, and now I'm putting on the date headers at the top. And in a minute you'll see this is where I ended up getting I had to pause with my recording for a minute just because my kiddos came over, my oldest and her husband and their dog Bella, and so I was going to visit with them for a little bit before I continued. And so yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good. I am using a microphone for the first time. I have always thought that my voiceovers or my live recordings actually always sounded like I was in a tunnel, and so hopefully the recording sounds decent. We'll see. I don't know. I'm just kind of working on the sidebar. I do end up using this little like swag or whatever you want to call that at the top with the flowers, and then I do pull a this week sticker and put that at the top as well. And I decided that I wasn't going to do any kind of trackers this week. I think I just want to, I don't know, like journal more on the sidebar than anything else and put some photos there if I can. Okay, this is where I got interrupted. I did not realize that I didn't hit record. Sorry. So I kind of went back and kind of showed you what Monday through Wednesday looked like, and now I'm going to go through and finish up Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thursday is my my high schoolers' last day of school. Thank goodness. I'm so glad this year's over with. Oh, it has been a doozy of a year. And then aside from that, I also have an IEP meeting. I'm kind of deciding where I want to place the sticker because I really do think that I want to get a last day of school picture for Caleb and Hannah, and so I moved it down a bit because I will most likely end up printing off a picture and placing it in that blank spot right there at the end of this week. And then I also have another sticker just saying that I need to take Caleb to work with my Sweet Kawaii Designs Poe driving in the car. And then also Logan has a game that night on Thursday, and so I just recorded that. On Friday, really don't have anything going on, so I did stick a full box in towards like 2/3 of the way down. I know that I'll probably watch some sort of like movie or something with the kiddos and with the whole family on Friday night. So I will pretty much leave it that way for Friday. Saturday we have games for baseball in the morning. Both of their games are at 9 o'clock. So Philip coaches Tori's team, so I will go and watch Logan play. And then in the afternoon I'm going to take Caleb to work, and that pretty much does it for Saturday. There's not a lot going on. Sunday we have church, and I was able to print off some little church stickers from my Cricut. I went on to the Cricut design space and just put in a print and cut church, and that's what pulled up, and I think it turned out really cute. So I just placed it on my quarter box with a church script, and then I laid down my weekend banner. I am going to go back in and put down a little TV just to show that I probably will watch a movie with the family on Friday night. And then there's really not a lot like of anything else that I'm really gonna have going on. I'm putting a sticker down for Friday for stopping and getting a coffee, and here I'm just opening it up and kind of showing you how the week went. It was really like, this was a super short plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did come in and put a couple more stickers later, but this is pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.